In the shadow of Jericho's high walls, the air crackled with tension. The Israelites, led by Joshua, were poised to enter the Promised Land, and the news of their impending arrival sent ripples of fear through the city. The king, aware of their approach, tightened his grip on the city, sending out soldiers to search for spies. Among the rooftops of Jericho, a woman named Rahab lived a life often shunned by society. As a prostitute, she was considered unworthy, yet her sharp mind and keen instincts had allowed her to survive in a world where many perished. One day, as she sat in her home, she saw two men entering her city. Instinctively, she knew they were spies. As the soldiers patrolled the streets, Rahab made a daring decision. She hid the men in her home, concealing them under stalks of flax on her rooftop. When the soldiers came knocking, demanding to know the spies' whereabouts, she boldly declared, "They have already left the city. If you hurry, you might catch them." After the soldiers left, Rahab climbed to the rooftop to speak with the spies. "I know that the Lord has given you this land," she said, her voice trembling with fear and excitement. "I have heard of your God, how he dried up the Red Sea for you and how you defeated kings. Please swear to me by the Lord that you will show kindness to my family when you take the city." The spies, taken aback by her faith, agreed. They instructed her to tie a scarlet cord in her window as a sign. When the city fell, all who were inside her home would be spared. Rahab's heart raced with hope, but she was haunted by the thought of her family. "They must be saved," she insisted. As the days passed, Rahab prepared for the invasion, gathering her family in her home. Her life had been marked by choices that led her to the shadows, but this moment presented an opportunity for redemption. The scarlet cord hanging from her window became a symbol of her faith and a promise of salvation. The day of reckoning arrived. The Israelites marched around Jericho for 7 days, and on the 7th day the walls came crashing down. Yet Rahab's house stood firm, the scarlet cord swaying in the wind, a beacon of hope amidst destruction. When the dust settled, the spies entered the city and found Rahab. "You have saved us. Now we will save you," they assured her. Rahab's family was brought to safety, and as the Israelites overtook the city, Rahab was welcomed into their fold. In time, she became an ancestor of David and a part of the lineage of Jesus, her story echoing through generations. The woman society deemed unworthy became a pivotal figure in God's plan,